How you doing? My name is Ryan Maloney, and I'm one of the builders in the Ultimate Builder Challenge here, Washington D.C. So this is my build. It's actually a Grand National bike that I set up for the street. So what I had to do with that was we had to extend the swing arm a little bit. I did different rear sets. What we did is I punched out, we actually own the patent on this, is we built our own rear sets. There's actually sealed bearings in here, so it's a lot smoother than your traditional and factory setup. To hide all the electrical components, I punched out the CNC plates for this. So all our components are in here. I'm running, we could adjust everything with, you pull the seat off, and there's a USB that I could actually put it on the dyno, adjust everything from there, and it is 100% streetable. I had AirTech Streamlining build the custom tail section. This is all carbon fiber. It is actually the only one in the country right now. XR 750 tank. And what's great about this build is you could actually take this into the Grand National Series, the highest tier in flat track, and it will pass tech inspection, and you can race it against the FTR Indians and Kawasaki's and the Harley guys. So what's also another cool thing is we ran, these are R1 forks off the AMA Sport Bike series. So I made those work with this build. It's 6-piston front brakes with Beringer brakes, 310 millimeter floating rotor, carbon fiber number plate to integrate the LEDs. It is an absolute handful. Mild built motor. It had a big motor in it. It was just way too much for the street. I know people laugh when they hear that because more power is better, but not with this. I really want to thank, IMS for having us out here. For me to compete a street tracker against a bunch of custom choppers, it's cool, it's different. You don't get that anywhere else, and I'm gonna keep coming back and bringing some different stuff. So I love it.